We're doing 3 rooms out, a little place out in the country. We did this about a year ago. Using our Oreck. It's a Frieze carpet. I don't know if you'll be able to tell a whole lot with the color of the carpet and the lighting. And as usual, I'll put links in the video description for the Oreck orbiter and for accessories and things. And also, we have some Facebook groups that I'll put links in if you want to learn more about doing this, or you want to join other cleaners and have a place to hang out.
Actually, the person we're doing this for is a member in our Facebook group.
Yeah, they're in our group.
We work for them, and they joined the group about a year ago or so, a few months back.
Yeah, we made a video last time we were here, so if you look back in our history far enough, you'll find it. I'm going to pause, try to save battery power, and I'll catch you back up here in a second, so stay tuned. Alright, we're just about finished with this room. I'll show you kind of all of this. There's not a lot to it. Alright, we're going to go into the next room, so stay tuned. Alright, second room.
Yeah, it's a pretty simple thing you do. You just spray the carpets and run the machine over them, and the bonnet picks up all the trash, all the dirt and stuff, strips the carpet fibers bare. Not a bad way to make your money if you gotta have a living.
Yeah, picking up some lint.
Well, this method of cleaning will always find, you're always going to dig stuff that you don't get through vacuum. You're going to dig stuff out of the bottom of the carpet. I mean, it'll pull up stuff that you don't know is in there. You might want to go over there.
Yeah, he's about done. I'll show you this last room here.
We'll get it too on video.
Yeah. Just has to, we're going to have to pre-spray it real quick. He's done in there, so stay tuned. Alright, here we go. This is a good color carpet for people to get. It's kind of a mottled brownish colored Frieze, and so they're good because they don't show dirt really quickly, and they're pretty easy to clean usually. So this is out in the country, so you're going to probably have more mud tracked in and things like that. So this would be a bad place to have white carpet.
Yeah, some of that good old country dirt.
Yeah, it's just everywhere when it rains and things.
Once you can tell, it don't take much to get it clean. Just clean up quick. There'll be links in the video for this machine, for the groups we have. If you want to communicate with us, we really don't message you too much. The best things are our Facebook groups. That's where we're most active. On the Facebook groups, we're on there every day, several times. So that's, if you want to talk to us, come to the BLM Carpet Cleaners Lounge or the Oreck Organist group or something like that. That's how you talk to us more than anything.
Yeah, the YouTube comment section doesn't always work reliably. So
well, to us, YouTube is played out. It's all about Facebook to us these days. We don't care about YouTube no more. We'll make an occasional video because people like us, but we're into Facebook. That's the future, as far as we can tell.
How good I can show this here once you get in there.
Well, I'll try to stand to the side like this here and just shove it in easy. The old one arm operating.
All right. Yeah, we don't wash the bonnets out on camera because we're going to do that later.
They come out with dirt. They look.
But there's always tons of dirt in these things, so that's where it goes. You just don't have. So you get the same dirty water you would with an extractor, but you just don't have as much water.
Keep in mind, those of you know what we're talking about. We have an Oreck bonnet. It's not Velcro. Look, here's how ours comes off.
Yeah, that's a stock pad driver. It's just an older one.
Yeah.
All right, I think that's about all for this video, which looks like it ran about almost. I'll let it go to 8 minutes. Take a quick look in here again. I shut the blinds back, so it's kind of dark. But it's hard to tell. The camera boosts the lighting and everything a little bit, so the ISO goes up. See if I can walk back here without tripping. The other room. And here's the other room. It all came out pretty good. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Until next time, thanks for watching.